Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the top 5 most important useful Amazon home gadgets this month that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video. Number 5. The Infinita Pro by Conair hairdryer with diffuser is a professional-grade hairstyling tool ideal for those seeking salon-quality results at home. Created by Conair, a trusted brand in the beauty industry, this hairdryer is designed to meet the needs of both professionals and everyday users. With a sleek black design and a powerful 1875 wattage AC motor, this hairdryer delivers quick and efficient drying while also reducing frizz and enhancing shine. The included diffuser and concentrator attachments allow for versatile styling options, catering to different hair types and textures. Made of durable plastic, this hairdryer is lightweight.
Number 4. This Arofa Black Bidet Sprayer for Toilet is a must-have addition to any bathroom. With its sleek matte black finish and durable stainless steel construction, this handheld jet sprayer not only enhances the aesthetics of your bathroom, but also ensures long-lasting performance. One of the standout features of this product is its adjustable water pressure, allowing users to customize their cleaning experience according to their preference. The spot-resist, stainless steel finish not only adds a stylish touch to your bathroom but also makes cleaning and maintenance hassle-free. Installation of this bidet sprayer is a breeze, thanks to the easy installation process and leak-proof design. The package includes all the necessary components for mounting, including 3 into Arofa handheld bidet sprayers, 2 into stainless steel hoses, 2 into 7/8-inch T-valves, 2 into hook holders, and a user manual. Not only does this bidet sprayer provide a hygienic and comfortable cleansing experience.
Number 3. This waterproof case for AirTag by Typecase is an essential accessory for keeping track of your important items. The carbon black color of the 4-pack exudes a sleek and stylish look that complements any style. Designed specifically for AirTag, these cases provide a snug fit for maximum protection against water, dust, and accidental drops. The hard shell type ensures durability and long-lasting performance, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. The keychain holder feature adds convenience by allowing you to securely attach your AirTag to keys, bags, or any other belongings you want to keep track of. The compact form factor makes it easy to carry around without adding unnecessary bulk. Overall, the waterproof case for AirTag by Typecase offers a perfect blend of style and functionality. Whether you're a busy professional, a frequent traveler, or someone who simply wants to organize their essentials, this product is a must-have. Stay worry-free and keep your valuables safe.
Number 2. This heavy-duty snap fastener toolkit by Hapton is a solid choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for reliability and efficiency in snap button installation. Made from high-quality alloy steel, the tool is sturdy and durable, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. The punching function of this tool makes it easier to create precise holes for fasteners, leading to clean and professional results. The snap button tool's head style is easy to handle and provides a comfortable grip during operation, reducing hand fatigue. Overall, the Hapton AKB Snap Fastener Toolkit is a dependable option for various projects that require the installation of snap buttons. Its orange color adds a touch of vibrancy to your toolkit, making it easy to locate among your other tools. Whether you are an experienced craftsman or a hobbyist, this tool offers the functionality and durability needed to get the job done efficiently.
Number 1. Starter Night Canvas Wall Art. Blue Gold Metallic Face. Decor painting is an exquisite piece that brings a touch of elegance and sophistication to any living space. With dimensions of 47.24 into 31.5 into 118 inches and weighing 5.72 pounds, this art piece is a statement addition to your home decor. Manufactured in Transylvania, this canvas wall art is crafted with precision and attention to detail. The unique blue and gold metallic face design adds a contemporary flair to any room, making it a perfect focal point for your walls. The item's ASIN is B009DL8P9Est, and the item model number is Femme Blue Or. With a high customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from 90 ratings, it is evident that this wall art is well received by customers. This product stands out in the home decor category, ranking at number 875, 433 in home and kitchen, and number 29, 6 and 60 in posters, mullis prints. It first became available on August 25, 2021, offering a relatively new and trendy option for art enthusiasts.